Soon after Bill Chayakin votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Fire spark small but strong. Me chant old roots, ancient song. Chalice blow under moonlight. Mime unlocked, vision bright. No bumpy style or show. Me body free know what me should know. Herb not fool, herb not trick. It show truth real quick. Every elder when me meet say wisdom grow when hearts stay sweet. Me sit, me listen, me nah boast. Silence teach me most. Them laugh say me live too slow, but me see far, them only know. Them chase nice, them chase high. Me chase calm, me chase insight. Chalice pass, no greedy and respect rule every man. Target beat, laugh get free. Real conversation heal we. Chalice and wisdom, fire and thought, more than them ever thought. Chalice and wisdom, burn so clean. Show what life really means. My mind travel without plane. True memory, joy and pain. Herb open door, now push me through. Try still mind what me do. Me see mistake me make before. Me forgive self, me learn more. Growth not low, growth not fast. Become steady, will feel last. Me see fast prophets everywhere. It big talk, but empty prayer. Me trust the simple, trust the plain. Shoes survive without chain. One flame small can light a room. One right word can cut through gloom. Chalice teach me to stay real. Feel what me feel. Fire crackle lessons speak. Strong now mean you can't be weak. Balance found between the two. Fire burn but still cool. Chalice and wisdom, fire and thought, more than them ever thought. Chalice and wisdom, run so clean. Show what life really means. When fire low and night grows still, me travel through the density will. Chalice done, but inside stay. Died me steps another day.
No. Free the people and the animals, yeah, man. Smoke arise from Zion Peak. Fire speak what word can't speak. Blazing torch of holy flame. Fire call Jah mighty name. Darkness flee before the light. Mountain fire burn so bright. Every stone begin to glow. Fire teach what we must know. Shepherds stand with staff in hand. See the fire cleanse the land. Thunder roar and voices sing. Fire crown the rightful king. Babylon fortress melt away. Fire mark the righteous day. Every shadow, every lie the solid ground. Glorious blaze, eternal sign. Fireproof, Jala divine. Even night cannot conceal. Fire of Zion, strong and real. Babylon tremble, kingdoms fall. Fire of truth consume them all. Every ember, spark of grace. Fire of mercy fill the place. Glowing bright from age to age. Fire of Jah rewrite the page. Generations bow in awe. Fire fulfill the holy law. Everlasting flame, so pure. Fire of truth will still endure. Torch eternal, shining guide. Fire of Zion will not hide. Sacred flame, both strong and right. Fire of Jah destroy the night. Burn, burn, holy flame. Glorify Jah mighty name. Rise, rise, mountain glow. Fire of Zion overflow. Fire on the mountain blazing high. Light of freedom fill the sky. Never fading, never gone. Fire of Zion still live on. Torch eternal, bold and free. Fire declare the victory. Fire declare.
Ay, ay, ay. Jamaica Ashisha man. Early morning sunrise from me windowsill. Burning herbs with peace. Jah love I feel. Me soul awaken. No stress, no war. Just birds are singing and a beat from afar. Me roll a spliff with reverence true. No Babylon, no chains, only sky so blue. I and I meditate on the hills of light, chanting blessings in a Zionite night. Roots and smoke, we rise and float. One love boat, Jah guide the road. Mystic fire in a chalice blaze. Rasta man living in eternal praise. From Kingston Bay to Mount Zion Gate. Me chant na ya bingi, me nah go wait. Smoke rise high, me heart stay free. In a roots vibration, come chant with me. Me walk barefoot on the sacred ground. Nature whispering with every sound. I rhythm from me heart it play. Me not stray, just show me the way. Me sip coconut, me eat ital stew. Me spirit cleansed by the morning dew. With every puff me see clearer still. Me destiny guided by Jah will. Me not rich with gold, but me soul be strong. Me carry the wisdom of ancient slang. With dreadlocks swinging and eyes so bright. Me chant for love and eternal light. Roots and smoke, we rise and float. One love boat, Jah guide the road. Mystic fire in a chalice blaze. Rasta man living in eternal praise. From Kingston Bay to Mount Zion Gate. Me chant nyaya bingi, me nah go wait. Smoke rise high, me heart stay free. In a roots vibration, come chant with me. Hear the drums of Africa, they call me name. Ancestral spirits, they spark the flame. Me close me eyes, me fly away to Zion land where peace I stay. No politics, no wicked plan. Only one Jah and the heart of man. Me reason deep cosmic view, me meet a sister with a lion heart. She burn her herbs and play her part. She chant psalms and dance in grace, with sun upon her ancient face. Together we trod the rootsy lane, through reggae sound and gentle rain. Me build me house with bamboo strong, and every night we sing a song. Roots and smoke, we rise and float. One love boat, Jah guide the road. Mystic fire in a chalice blaze. Rasta man living in eternal praise. From Kingston Bay to Mount Zion Gate, me chant now ya been give me nah go wait. Smoke rise high, me heart stay free. In a roots vibration, come chant with me. So light the fire, burn the sage. We free the mind, we turn the page. A life of love, no time for hate. Jah time divine, me now be late. Zion echoes on the beat again. Rasta spirit never end. Play this tune on every show, and chant for peace forevermore. Ganja and meditate, yeah man. Me wake beside the river flow, hear Jah calling soft and low. Me wash me hand, me cleanse me mind, leave the dark behind. Every ripple tell me truth, every drop hold Jah proof. Life a circle never done. One by one, me walk through valley, through the rain. Every trial, every pain, but the river never dry. It teach me how to try. Babylon wall soon tumble down. Jah wear the crown. Me heartbeat steady in the tide. Love can't hide. Me see the people thirst for peace. Them spirit need release. Them search the world for silver gain, but only love remove the chain. Me sing for the ones who feel alone. Jah prepare them throne. River whisper ancient song, keep me strong. Oh Tao, flow river of light, flow free, carry Jah grace through me and thee. Wash away the fear and doubt, let the truth come out. Flow river of light, shine bright, heal the world tonight. Every soul that seek the way, find Jah in each day. Yeah. No, 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 no. Yeah, yeah. Me rest me ear pan water sound, wisdom deep and profound. It tell me life a sacred chance. Every breath a dance. The elder smile, the youth rejoice. Nature give them voice. Me learn from the river still, to follow Jah will. Me no own the stream me see. It flow through every tree. It carries story, joy and pain. Circle back again, like the tide that kiss the shore. Jah open every door. Me live in balance, live in peace. Jah promise keep. River sing for every land. Bless the heart, bless the hand. It out. Flow river of light, flow free. Carry Jah grace through me and thee. Wash away the fear and doubt. Let the truth come out. Flow river of light, shine bright. Heal the world tonight. Every soul that seek the way, find Jah in each day. Hey. Flow river, never cease. Bring the world to peace. Me fade into the golden gleam. Life just like a dream. River of light, carry me home. Jah make me home. Na 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 na. Oh. Me climb high where the wind them blow. Truth me know. Above the cloud me spirit free. Jah carry me. Yeah. Me look on valley low and wide. No fear inside. Every step me take just show. Oh, fi grow. Yeah. Me start me journey rough and raw, but me keep Jah law. Storm come down, rain beat hard. Still me guard. Yeah. Me hold me feet tight like stone. Never alone. Mountain of strength me trod. Guided by God. Yeah. Them mock me but them laugh me way. Still me pray. Each fall teach me rise. Jah make me wise. Yeah. No man can shake me will. Me climb still. Every scar tell me name. Fire flame. Yeah. Mountain of strength me stand tall. Jah guide it all. Mountain of strength I me climb through space and time. Yeah. Na na na. Morning quiet, sky still low. Me like the herb, watch smoke rise low. Cityscape, but me mind awake. Every jar of truth me take. Me step outside, barefoot on the ground. Old roots whisper, ancient sound. No rush time, me move real calm. Urban unlike healing balm. Babylon shout loud and fast, but me nah live in them forecast. Me breathe deep, let worries go. Smoke curl soft, nice and slow. Me see them chase shiny things, but peace nah come from diamond rings. Me learn more from tree and sun than them talk we never done. Every puff open me sight, show me wrong, show me right. No escape, nah either way, just clarity in a gray. Smoke rise slow, hear me head, all truth echo where elders said. Smoke rise slow, drift and lean. Life makes sense in between. Me think about struggle, think about pain, think how joy come after rain. Herb remind me fi stay kind. No poison grow inside me mind. Me no need throne, me no need crown. Me kingdom here when sun go down. One chalice full heart stay light. Reason with stars in the night. The see the youth them tense and tight. We're too loud, too much fight. Me tell them breathe, slow it down. Wisdom growing, ego drawn. No man pure, no man clean, but every soul got space between. Smoke teach patience, teach respect, show direction. Misdirect, asphalt gentle upon me on. Like message me understand. Nothing rush, nothing force. Life flow best when followed for. Smoke rise slow, clear me it. All truth echo where elders said. Smoke rise slow, drift and lean. Life makes sense in between. When I fade on morning show, me keep it pace, me soul already know. Smoke rise slow, whoa. Smoke rise slow, whoa. And I fade on morning show. We keep it pace, me soul already know. Smoke rise slow, they soon stay. Oh, carry peace into the day.
Na 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 Zion, yeah man. Na 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 Zion, man.
Shining bright from heaven high, Zion light will never die. It guide me spirit, guide me soul. Zion light make me whole. No darkness can dim its flame. Zion light exalt your name. Forever glowing, pure and true. Zion light for me and you. Zion light shine so strong, guide the people all along. eternal flame. Zion light, call your name.
Na 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 Zion man. Na 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 Zion man.
It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion light, all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion light, keep it strong. It burn the wicked, heal the kind. Zion light, renew the mind. Eternal glowing, never cease. Zion light, bring your peace. Chosen one, it blaze eternal, never fall. Zion light, the one and all. It warm the heart, it free the soul. Zion light, me holy goal, forever shining, bright and wide. Zion light, always guide. It rise eternal, shine so high. Zion light, fill the sky. No Babylon can hide the ray. Zion light forever stay. It guide the nations, guide the man. Zion light, Jah plan, eternal glowing, pure and strong. Zion light all along. Sound again, Zion light still remain. Forever only, never fade. Zion light Jah hand has made. From dawn of time till judgment day. Zion light show Jah way. Eternal flame, forever true. Zion light for me and you. Shine high, shine free. Zion light eternity. No night, no chain can dim the glow. Zion light forever show. Zion light shine so strong, guide the people all along. Every spark, eternal flame. Zion light, call your name. From age to age, from night to dawn. Zion light keep shining on.
Na 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 na. Zion Reggae man.
Yeah. Peace of Zion fill me soul. Make the broken spirit whole. It calm the storm, it heal the pain. Zion peace forever reign. No Babylon can take away. Zion peace forever stay. Eternal blessing strong and true. Zion peace for me and you. Zion peace calm and wide. Everlasting holy tide. Every breath, every song. Zion peace forever strong. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion peace all people seek. Forever holy, never cease. Zion peace, bring Jah peace. It soothe the heart, it heal the land. Zion peace, by Jah hand, forever shining bright and clear. Zion peace forever near. Me peace across the seas. No man stop it, no man bind. Zion peace for all mankind. It guide the youth, it guide the old. Zion peace more than gold. Forever holy, pure and wide. Zion peace, the holy tide. It's rise eternal, never gone. Zion peace forever strong, forever flowing pure and true. Zion peace carry you. It still the night, it calm the day. Zion peace, Yahweh, eternal blessing, strong and free. Zion peace, eternity. When the trumpet sound again, Zion peace still remain. Forever holy, never fall. Zion peace for one and all. From dawn of time till judgment day. Zion peace, Yahweh, eternal calm, eternal song. Zion peace forever long. Come strong, come deep. Zion peace me soul keep. No war, no hate can take away. Zion peace here to stay. Zion peace, calm and wide. Everlasting holy tide. Every breath, every song. Zion peace forever strong. From age to age, from night to dawn. Zion peace still carry on. Na 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 na. Move script curve like the bassline drum. Steady vision stretch where the skyline end. Future send me grounded deep in ancestral way. Night and day, elder voice echo in me head. Words said, but me eyes lift beyond the hill. Iron will, me respect past, but me chase new dawn. Moving on, roots keep me balanced when storm arrive. Stay alive, vision pull me past limitation wall. Break style, we not stuck in comfort, memory lane. Expand brain, roots heavy, vision high. Touch the sky, firm foundation, open view, future true. Me blend tradition with modern art. Smart chart, old wisdom guide the innovation. Same game. Me grow branch fight, but the trunk stay thick. Chalice Wisdom, dream big, but you walk couple pace. Elevation without ego rise. Yeah, eyes. Me carry culture forward change, no strange. We rise in Jah order true, me and you. From Kingston straight to Accra town, we hold it down. From hills of Ethiopia high, bless Jah sky. Rasta people one vibration, true nation. No border divide with soul, one goal. Me see the system crumble slow, them can't grow. We plant the seed of unity in the city. No politician can lead, only good deed. Rasta Nation rise, open eyes. Hey, Rasta Nation strong and free, Jah family. Rasta Nation roots so deep, faith we keep. Me hear the drummers beating street, heartbeat. Every tone a revolution sound. Turn around, the youth them carry touch. A fire never tire, Rasta Nation build again. From pain, me see the queen wrap her crown. No back down, king and empress hand in hand. Across the land, we chant for justice true. For me and you, Rasta Nation lead the way. New day, no division, no hate. Rasta create, from Africa to world. Flag unfurled, Rasta roots eternal flame. Praise Jah name, praise Jah name. Yeah, yeah. Rasta Nation strong and free, Jah family. Rasta Nation roots so deep, faith we keep. Rasta Nation rise again, heal the pain. Rasta Nation chant the psalm, keep calm. Yeah. Na 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 na. Rasta connection, one love foundation firm. Jah confirm. Aye aye aye. Rasta man and Zion, reggae ya man. Me open me eyes before the sun appear. Hear Jah whisper in me ear. Rise, O youth, no live in fear. Freedom draw near. Me see the dance spread across the sea. Spirit speak clear to me. Rise up the free, born again. No more chain, no more pain. Me see the soldier on the road. Me see the burden heavy load. But me heart full of courage still, cause Jah have the will. Them try control me every thought, but truth can't be bought. Them try to silence Jah name, but me chant the flame. Me see the youth them rise and shout. Babylon wall soon crumble out. No more division, one creation, one heart, one meditation. Me feel the drum beat on me chest. Call for the ones who never rest. Them fight for love, them fight for peace, till justice release. Rise up the free, rise and sing. Lift your soul, let the joy bell ring. Every nation, every creed, Jah provide the light we need. Rise up the free, fire ignite. Spread the love, shine the light. One step forward, no retreat. Rasta spirit never defeat. Me mother cry but still she pray. Say Jah never stray. Through the struggle me learn the way. One day Babylon fade away. Me see the rainbow after rain. From every loss plant the seed and watch it grow. Me see the roots, them start to show. Me brethren gather, hand in hand. We build again this sacred land. No more hate, no envy there. Just righteousness in the air. Me walk with truth, me talk with grace. Jah glory in me face. No power of man can stop the time. No wall too tall for love to climb. Me feel the freedom in the breeze. Me soul at peace beneath the trees. Chant down the system, chant it low. Righteous river start to flow. Every tongue and every tribe join the universal vibe. Rise up the free, rise and sing. Lift your soul, let the joy bell ring. Every nation, every creed, Jah provides the light we need. Rise up the free, fire ignite. Spread the love, shine the light. One step forward, no retreat. Rasta spirit never defeat. Iron rise up the free, heart and flame. Call Jah Jah, holy name. One world, one destiny. Unity set we free. Rise up now, let Babylon fall. Hear the trumpet call. Love is the law, truth the key. Rise up the free. When the darkness try to stay, Jah light still guide the way. Me chant me song, me soul take flight. Me heart beat strong in the night. Rise, oh people, rise and see the dawn of the free. No, no, no. Na 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 na. Soft breeze roll through the valley side. Melody rise like a calming tide. Every heartbeat find a gentle flow. Guiding spirit where the peace must go. The morning dew rest on the land. Nature whisper like a healing and fragrance of hope drift in the air. Show the people say love still they here. Old memories fade as new ones grow. Plant them seeds and watch them glow. Hills echo warm, clear and bright. Draw the weary closer to light. Me ear drum knock under the shade. Calling souls where the system fade. Simple moments bring truth alive. Teach mankind to unite and thrive. No man stand alone in this place. Every smile leave a shining trace. Roots unite like branch and tree. Build foundation for unity. River of harmony carry we strong. Flow through the heart like sacred song. Lift every burden, wash every pain. Bring back sunshine after the rain. River of harmony, steady and pure. Guide we forward, soul secure. Me watch the children dance on the shore. Full of dreams, wanting more. Hope rise high in every laugh. Split the darkness clean in half. Night may come but light remain. Keep the people through joy and strain. Voices blend like colors bright. Painting peace across the night. Every corner feel the wave. Set the timid heart for brave. The elders chant wisdom wide. Lift the nation side by side. Hold firm, stay strong. Harmony guide we all along. No fear, no doubt. Let the inner light come out. River of harmony carry we strong. Flow through the heart like sacred song. Lift every
Anja and Zion, yeah, man. Nah, hear the drum beat in the night. Ancestors keep the fire bright. Through the struggle, through the chain, flame of memory still remain. Whisper from the earth below, stories of the roots we know. Guiding and from long before, flame still burning evermore. Every elder chant a line, carved in stone, eternal sign. Blood and sweat, yet spirit strong. Flame a guide the whole along. No oppression, hold it down. Flame of truth, a shining crown. Generation, pass it on. Flame of ancestors never gone. The storm I try to rise, flame still dancing in the eyes. Babylon has spread them lies, flame of wisdom never dies. Children born with spark inside, flame of courage never hide. Roots grow deep beneath the soil, flame reward the righteous toil. War may rage and nations fall, still the flame unite them all. From the desert to the sea, flame of ancestors set we free. Sacred fire light the way, shining bright till break of day. Every spark a holy call, flame of Zion bless us all. Lift your hand and feel the heat, flame of past and future me. Torch of love, eternal guide, flame of truth we never hide. When the darkness try to stay, flame of ancestors chase away. Forever glowing, bold and pure, flame of Zion shall endure. Burn, burn, sacred fire, lift the people's spirit higher. Shine, shine, bright and strong. Flame of ancestors carry on. Flame of the ancestors burning high. Light the people, never die. Forever glowing, bold and free. Flame of truth for you and me. Eternal fire, righteous core. Flame of ancestors evermore. No, ganja is the life, you man. Oh, Carver sit by morning flame, chisel sing Jah holy name. Every stroke a prayer in wood, shaping peace where once war stood. No machine can match the grace, light reflect upon his face. Every carving smooth and deep, spirit watch while angels keep. Through the grain these stories run, Carver carved the moon and sun. Every mark a hidden code, path of wisdom gently showed. Babylon craft with greed and haste, Carver build with love and taste. From the timber truth is born, light of mercy crowned the morn. He carved the lion strong and wise, he carved the bird that never dies. Every curve a memory, every shape a melody. Child them gather, eyes them gleam, Carver build them Jaja dream. No illusion, no deceit, light of work makes soul complete. When the sunset paint the hill, Carver carve with patient will. Every piece a world reborn, from the
the night to shining morn. His hands are rough, his heart is kind. Light of peace dwell in his mind. Every mark a holy vow. Carver living spirit now. Elder come and bless the tree. Carver bow respectfully. Every branch a legacy of creation's melody. From the wood, the fire, the sound. Carver keep the people strong. Every statue, every line, echo Jah design divine. Carve, carve, bright and clear. Shape of the truth we all hold dear. Shine, shine, hand of flame. Write Jah glory, praise his name. Light, Carver, child of peace. Build a world where hate shall cease. Never breaking, never gone. Carver sing creation song. Oh, I, oh, Nana Ganja is the life, your man. Ever shining, pure and grand. Craft of love from Jah. Every shape, both rough and fine. Light Carver, soul divine. Aye, ganja, and meditate your man. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Me hear the river call me name. Flow of love, eternal flame. From mountain peak to valley low, Jah blessings overflow. Every stream a voice of peace, where hate and war must cease. Me walk beside the water clear, feel Jah presence near. Every drop a story told, of truth them can't control. The rhythm of the river beat, guide me step, guide me feet. In harmony me find me place, reflections of Jah grace. Me see me people gather round, sweet na ya bingy sound. Hands join tight in one accord, me give thanks to the Lord. No bother color creed divide, we flow side by side. Every nation, every kind, one destiny, one mind. Whoa, yeah. River of unity, flow on strong. Wash away the Babylon wrong. Carry the love through every land. Join together, hand in hand. River of unity, pure and bright. Shine through darkest night. Every soul and every dream flow in Jah stream. Oh, me see the youth them learn fi care. Me see the elders share. No vanity, no pride remain. Just peace again. From the river me draw strength. Wisdom come at length. It teach me patience, teach me calm. Jah on me palm. Even when the tide get rough, love alone enough. Me trust the current fi carry me to Jah eternity. Me see reflection of me face. Me see the human race, all connected, one family tree, river of unity. Oh, flow, river flow, let Jah love overflow. From Kingston town to Addis land, one creation, hand in hand. No man greater, no man small. One Jah rule them all. Me chant this song for harmony. Jah love set we free. River of unity, flow on strong. Wash away the Babylon wrong. Carry the love through every land. Join together, hand in hand. River of unity, pure and bright. Shine through darkest night. Every soul and every dream flow in Jah stream. River flow, don't ever end. Heal the heart, uplift the friend. Through the struggle, me still see Jah water cleanse me. Me sit beside the bank and pray. Give thanks for another day. River of unity, flow forevermore, till peace reach every shore. No, 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 sun over Zion, yeah, man. Jah guide me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Early in the morning, me rise with the sun. Now ya been the drum beat, we had just begun. Me wash me face in the river so clean. Ganja leaf in a me hand, life feel like a dream. Birds them a sing, breeze kiss me locks. Me give thanks to Jah, no need for clocks. Me nah rush, me nah fuss, just flow. Each breath a blessing, me soul a glow. Sun over Zion, blaze up the light. Meditation strong, everything feel right. High grade rolling, no stress in sight. Rasta vibration, rise up in a flight. This a life, this a love, this a truth me defend. Jah guide me steps from now to the end. Me walk barefoot through the valley of trees. Me chant ancient words while me feel the breeze. No concrete jungle, just earth and sky. No fake smiles, just truth in I and I. Me nah follow fashion, me follow the path. Built from roots and blessed from the start. Me sip ital tea, burn bush with pride. In a harmony, me and the most high ride. Them try to trap we in a system maze, but we navigate with the ganja blaze. Sound system bumping, heart feels strong. One rhythm, one heart, one righteous song. The world move fast, but we move wise. Gaze in the stars, see Jah in the skies. The skies, the skies, the skies, the skies, the skies, the skies, the skies. Sun over Zion, blaze up the light. Meditation strong, everything feel right. High grade rolling, no stress in sight. Rasta vibration, rise up in a flight. This a life, this a love, this a truth me defend. Jah guide me steps from now to the end. Them a run for riches, me run for peace. Me find the strength where the rivers release. Me nah carry hate, me carry love. Guided by ancestors from above. Fire burn corruption, fire light me way. Each puff of herb, me troubles fade away. Me teach the youth, feel live and learn. To hold the fire till Babylon burn. So if you lost, come follow this flame. Me nah play fame, me play Jah name. Zion echo, sound system high. We chant redemption till we reach the sky. So light it up and feel the breeze. Rasta life bring inner peace. shining pure and free. Zion flame, destiny. It burned the darkness, burned the wrong. Zion flame, just song. When the trumpet sound again, Zion flame still remain. Forever holy, never cease. Zion flame bring Jah peace. From dawn of time till judgment day, Zion flame show Jah way. Eternal burning, bright and long. Zion flame, Jah song. Burn high, burn strong. Zion flame, carry on. No chain, no storm can kill the fire. Zion flame, lift higher. Zion flame, strong and high. Blazing glory in the sky. Every spark a holy name. Zion flame, exalt Jah claim. From age to age, from dusk to dawn, Zion flame still carry on.
Na 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 na. Morning sunrise on the hill. Jah bless the world still. Birds sing melody clear. Love conquer fear. Me give thanks for the day, for the light that show the way. Every breath a sacred song. Jah keep the nation strong. Me see the people start to smile. Hope return for a while. Me remember nights of pain when faith alone remain. Now they done break the chain. Joy replace the rain. Me chant for the weak, for the meek. Jah mercy ever see you.
Chant of the morning sun, Jah work just begun. Every heart and every soul come together for the goal.
Rise again, stand tall, Jah love for ya. Me no care about fame or crown. Me just want live love around. Every beat and every sound heal the broken ground. Me chant for youth, me chant for peace. Let the blessings never cease. From the market to the street,
Morning sun,
guide the feet.
elder preach.
Youth them learn, all hearts for Jah discern. Me hear the laughter, me hear the song. Jah love always make we strong. Yeah.
Light break through the cloud. Me sing Jah name out loud. No fear, no shame.
Just glory in Jah name. I work Canada.
Chant of the morning sun,
Na 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 na.
Jah work just begun.
You know.
Every heart and every soul come together for the goal.
Rise again. Stand tall. Jah love for ya. So when the night come once more, me know what me living for. Morning sun shine